Getting media coverage for your business is a great way to get your name out there, generate conversations, increase your exposure to reach new audiences and clients, lead by example, and it drives more sales. But what role do the media and press play in raising your profile? Well, being featured in print and online media helps people find you. They will be impressed to see your name in print, and the SEO benefits will bring business and opportunities your way. After all, did it really happen if it wasn't in the media? Picture this. Your company smashes its targets, hires new staff, and releases a killer new product. But if you don't shout about it, what's going to happen? Well, not a lot really, as your audience won't hear about it. But say you achieve something amazing personally, such as starting a new charity role or you win a big award, whatever it may be. If you manage to get some media coverage, good things start to happen. Your name gets out there and your brand awareness grows. You can position yourself as an industry expert, increasing your credibility and authority. You establish yourself as a thought leader, you generate conversation, you increase your exposure, and in turn, you reach a new audience full of new clients. Every feature is a way to get people talking. Getting people talking raises your profile and gets you known.